welcome back to English with Avika. Now, do you also want to become fluent in English just like native speakers are? Well, whether you are a parent, a student, or someone preparing for an interview, English fluency opens doors. But good news is, you don't need to go abroad or memorize long grammar rules. Today, I'll share 5 powerful and easy practices that you can start right away to sound natural and confident in English. Let's get started. Shadowing means listen and repeat exactly what you hear, just like an echo. This helps you copy pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. For kids, watch cartoons like Peppa Pig or Dora the Explorer and say the line after the character. For adults, watch interview or English series like The Friends, The Office, or TED Talk. Pause after one line and repeat it out loud. For example, here's a video line. Hey, how are you doing? Now you have to repeat after the character has said it. Hey, how are you doing? Same speed, same intonation, same expression. Do this for 10 minutes daily. It's like a voice exercise for your brain. One of the biggest mistakes English learner makes, both kids and adults, is thinking in their native language, like Hindi, and then translating each word into English. Let me show you how that sounds. You think in Hindi, मुझे पानी चाहिए, and then your brain translate it, me water want, and then you try to fix it. I want water. Now this process takes too long and makes you pause. You get nervous or say sentence that does not sound right at all. So here's the solution. Start training your brain to think directly in English without using Hindi in between. Start with small, everyday sentences that you already know. Example for kids, they can say, I want juice. That's a red ball. I'm feeling sleepy. And for adults, they can start by saying, I'll go to the market later. I have meeting at 4 p.m. Or it's too hot today. Now, to speak fluently, your mouth must get used to forming English sounds. So speak daily, even if you're alone. For example, you can speak in front of the mirror, like, today I'm wearing a white shirt. I'm going to the market later. You can role play, pretend you are ordering food. Hi, can I get a sandwich or a cold drink, please? Okay, so for families, practice English during mealtime. Pass the salt, please. This tastes great. Even 10 minutes of doing this daily conversation practice can change your confidence level. So start doing it. Fluent speakers are great listeners first. Do not just hear English, but you need to actively listen to how natives speak. Watch how they pause, rise, fall in their tone, and how they stress words. Example, I didn't say you stole it. Or if I say, I didn't say you stole it, the meaning change based on which word is stressed. For adults, listen to English podcasts like The English We Speak or All Ears English. Choose one small clip and repeat it 3-4 times. Mimic the accent and the flow. And for the kids, listen to songs like Let It Go from Frozen or Baby Shark. Your brain remembers language better through music. Native speakers don't think in single words. They use phrases or chunks. So don't learn just go. Learn go for a walk, go to bed, go crazy. Use real phrases you hear often, okay? So what's up? That means how are you? Hang on a second. That means wait for a second. I'm not sure. That means I don't know. So make a phrase notebook and write one new phrase every day. Use it 3 times in a real life that day. One bonus tip for you all. Now, this might feel awkward at first, but it's so powerful. What do you have to do? You have to record your voice, read a short paragraph, describe your day, answer a question like, what did you do today? Then listen and improve. You have to pay attention to, are you pausing in the wrong places? Or do your words sound clear? Even actors and singers do this. So you'll notice your mistakes and also your progress. So friends, here are your 5 powerful fluency practices. Number 1, shadowing. You have to be an echo. Second, think in English. Stop translating. Third, speak daily. even to yourself in the mirror. And fourth, listen like a musician. Fifth, learn phrases and not just words. Bonus tip, record and reflect. Use this daily, and I promise you, your English will become smoother, clearer, and more confident. And before you go, I have a special big news for you all. My storybook, The Magical Library of Legends, is now available. So, this is the story which is filled with magic, brave little kid, a girl named Tara, and a powerful life lesson. So, it's a perfect match for bedtime story, classroom, or if you love fantasy or wonder. Grab your copies from Amazon, Notion Press, or Flipkart. It's shipping free, so step into the magical world with me. Fluency is not about sounding perfect, it's about being brave enough to try. This is Avika signing off from English with Avika. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video. Comment below which tip will you try today. Bye bye and happy learning.